Going over the trades for February the 19th, 2019 midday report, all strategy access 1. Fed minutes about, FOMC minutes will be released in about an hour from now. So the markets could pull back here. All our strategies are long on the stock indexes. Adaptive moving average was short, flipped to the long side, plus 212.50 on the E-mini S&P. 60-minute breakout, plus 1287.50, hit its profit target, got right back in again. It looks kind of sloppy, but it works. So gap continuation 2019, plus 230 on the trade for the NASDAQ futures. Stock index swing, plus 475, hit its profit target on that gap continuation move. You see the price action is on the day session. You don't see, with the .T symbol, you don't see the President's Day holiday and the gap up that was there. So let's look at, that's all strategy access workspace 1. You see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 strategies that are trading today, all profitable on the long side. Let's take a look at all strategy access 2. Asia 4 long. It's been long for about a week and closing in on its profit target about, needs another about 6 or 7 points to hit the $1,500 profit target, and moving towards 3,400 on this in this market, sitting up here at all-time highs. Let's see, on President's Day the high was 33.9250. Today the high is 33.9225, and so the futures are a quarter point. The high is a quarter point away from what it was on President's Day. We'll see if that acts as resistance. We'll see if the market hems and haws here before the minutes are released. Don't think there's any surprises on the FOMC minutes. 60-minute breakout in Q, plus 500, catching this breakaway move. Tick pullback, long on the E-mini S&P, plus 425 on this trade. Gap continuation, tick pullback. Stop was a little too tight today, and we'll look at increasing this stop on this or getting a delayed entry, because this strategy is pretty volatile at the open and we might need a little more room. So those are the trades in the stock index portfolio for E-mini S&P, E-mini NASDAQ. Let's look at the other commodity markets. All strategy access 3, Asia gold 4. It's long, plus about 840 on this trade. You see, got in right at the open, and gold is extremely strong. It's interesting to note how strong the trend is in gold and how strong the trend remains in stock indexes and how strong the trend remains in bonds. It's which one, they're usually inversely correlated. Not saying that they can't be correlated, but it's an indicator that one of these is wrong, and it could be the stock index is getting ready to take a pullback trade. So let's see, Cobra Euro 4 minus 37.50, right around break even. Soybean swing stopped out, not a very trendy market. Just a lot of chop right here in soybeans, gap down and then reverse. So it was a gap fill type of a trade. All strategy access 4. Asia gold 4 2020 also long, plus about 800. Natural gas, SR counter trend 3 right at break even, and SR counter trend 2 V2M 1 minute and 5 minute hit 475 on the day. 2 trades there to silver. So silver and gold are the highlights of the day. SR counter trend 2. V2M, 1M, natural gas minus 20 on the day, so right around break even. Natural gas is a very narrow ranging market. Not a lot of action in natural gas. As natural gas inventories tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Those are the trades so far midday for February the 19th, 2020.